Welcome to On-Device Solutions YouTube channel. Today, we will discuss how one of our clients leveraged our enterprise mobility and SAP integration expertise to automate their relief valve maintenance processes. Before introducing the mobile SAP Service and Asset Manager application, SASREF, a Saudi company owned by Saudi Aramco and operating in the oil and energy industry, used paper-based forms. Their paper-based relief valve maintenance processes were inefficient, prone to errors, and increased safety risks and repair costs. On-Device Solutions enterprise mobility consultants and SAP sales team worked closely with SASREF to identify their unique challenges and pain points. Subsequently, our team implemented a solution built on the next-generation SAP BTP platform with SAP Mobile Services, SAP Service and Asset Manager, and SAP Inventory Manager. The deployment on Zone 1 certified Android tablets and smartphones took 12 weeks for the SAP Service and Asset Manager and 8 weeks for the SAP Inventory Manager. The solution was designed to digitize asset maintenance and warehouse operations, improve ease of use, reduce process cycle times and associated costs, and provide real-time integration with the SAP ERP system. The ODS team also implemented their Digital Forms add-on for SAP Service and Asset Manager. This helped deliver a more straightforward user experience and digitize all aspects of the paper form like a workflow with digital signature capture. The data captured using the forms is easy to retrieve for audit, monitoring, and advanced analytics. SASREF's Manager of Maintenance Support Services declared at the end of this project that because of our successful implementation, the company achieved a significant milestone in enhancing its relief valve system. He added that by digitally transforming the quality control plan, full compliance during RV repair was ensured. In addition, the new process would improve reliability and speed of execution, ensuring quality performance. The deployment resulted in a 100% estimated annual ROI from mobile warehouse barcoding and SAP Asset Manager solution, a 15% increase in maintenance and workshop teams' productivity, and a 10% increase in warehouse operations efficiency. The project was also nominated for the prestigious SAP Innovation Award 2023 for its field mobile refinery operations. I wish to congratulate On-Device for completing 2 SASREF projects in 2022 in record time because of your highly specialized consulting abilities with mobile applications. Despite significant challenges, On-Device worked closely with SASREF IT and business to see them through, demonstrating genuine collaboration, said SASREF's IT application section head. Our team's expertise in SAP BTP, SAP Service and Asset Manager, SAP Inventory Manager, and ODS Digital Forms add-on enables us to deliver customized solutions that automate and streamline business processes, reduce costs, and improve overall efficiency. Please contact us at info@ondevicesolutions.com to learn how we can help your corporation achieve greater success through enterprise mobility and SAP integration.